What is remarketing or retargeting? That's what we're going to talk about in this particular video. Maybe you've had a situation before where you've gone to, let's say, an e-commerce store, had a look at a particular product, and then for whatever reason decided, no, I'm not ready to buy, and you leave that website. And then maybe the next day you're scrolling through your Facebook feed or Instagram feed, or you're reading an article in the newspaper and you see an ad for that particular product that you were just looking at the day before. Well, it's actually really easy to implement. This is what's called a retargeting campaign. And in order to do so, you need to install retargeting pixels on your website. So if you want to retarget your past website visitors on Facebook, and Instagram rather, then you need to install the Facebook retargeting pixel on your website. If you want to retarget people on the Google ad platform, so for example, news websites or on YouTube as an example, then you need to install the Google retargeting tag on your website. It's actually quite easy to do. If I show you real quick on my website here at teachtraffic.com, you'll see I've actually got a Chrome add-on. I've got Facebook Pixel Helper, which is lit up to blue, which tells me that I have my Facebook Pixel installed on my website. Now, I don't have to run a retargeting campaign, but by installing the pixel means that I am able to if I want to. I've also got a Google Tag Assistant here, which tells me what Google codes are installed on my website. And you can see I've also got the Google Ads remarketing code installed on my website. This enables me to do what's called cross-platform retargeting. So for example, I might be running cold traffic ads on Google, and then because I've got the Facebook pixel on my site, I can then retarget people on Facebook, and vice versa. Or maybe I only want to do a retargeting campaign on both those platforms and no cold traffic campaigns. That is also possible, but you need to have those pixels installed on your website. Otherwise, you won't be able to follow your past website visitors. I actually have a whole course teaching this at teachtraffic.com/challenge, and I walk you through exactly that. Now, if you're not sure where to find these pixels, I'm going to show you right now. Here I am in my Google Ad account. You go to Tools and Settings, Shared Library, and then Audience Manager. And then you'll see here your data sources. I go here, and this is going to be all my data sources once it loads. And then I go to my Google Ads tag, click Details, scroll down the bottom here, and here's my tag setup. And I scroll down here, and I have three options to install this tag. I can either do it myself in the back end of my website, I can email the tag to my webmaster, or I can install it using Google Tag Manager. And once that tag is installed, then you then have to create audiences, but then you'll be able to do retargeting. Let's jump on over to my Facebook ad account. To find where the pixel is, I go to All Tools and then Events Manager. Then I'll go Data Sources. Then we click Manage Integrations. And I can just click here, Install New Pixel on a website. And then I can install the code manually and get my code that way. So you definitely want to install both the pixels on your website. That's how easy it is to find the pixels. And then obviously in your ad accounts, you create your audiences, and then you can also create your campaigns as well. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up icon, subscribe to my channel, and maybe even check out our retargeting challenge if you want to learn more specifics and how-tos on how to implement this. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.